Well, I've completed the repair at the front of this left side fender. So I've prepped it up with some coating as well as where it mounts on the cradle. I didn't do the lower section of the cradle because I have patch repair there to do. So I'll wait and I'll do it all at once. But the repair is complete. I've coated both sides. The inside, edges. So we are ready to mount this fender. At least the front of it is ready to mount again. We still have a whole section missing at the back. So we'll take care of that as well as address the other side of the rad cradle and probably begin some of the repairs along the cradle as well while it's in here, starting on this side.